Need to keep things really tight. Oh, that's beautifully done by the batsman. Exquisite timing. That ball deserved a boundary. He's too good a player not to take advantage of anything loose. Oh, that's a good delivery, right on the money. The batsman should watch the ball closely and get in line at the ball. Turned away for a single. Spin him back. I think that's a good move. He didn't get any timing on that one. I tell you what, he uses the crease well to play the spinners. Good shot for a single. Now that looks handsome. It certainly is a huge six. Lovely timing, ball hitting the sweet spot.
That's good, pal.
Turned away for a single. That's an excellent throw. Very good running between the wickets. Looks like he couldn't judge the pace of the ball. He has lost this one completely. These are free runs. You can't put pressure on the opposition like this. Good shot by the batsman. Can they steal a second here? Came around quickly to cover the throw. Spinner brought back from the other end. It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. Good shot for a single.
Creeping up on him, Ash, creeping up on him.
Turned away for a single. Oh, he's thrown it wide. Bowlers can actually get extra bounce by bowling cutters on this pitch. Very good running between the wickets. Nice throw straight to the top of the stumps.
That's good, pal.
Well bowled, past the edge of the bat. 4 runs, plays into the gap fabulously. These two gentlemen have played really well and have been finding the gaps at will. Important partnership this. That ball deserved a boundary. The crowd is enjoying every bit of this action. Well, that's a 6. The power is extraordinary. That was a brilliant shot. Perfectly executed.